My husband and I started November off with kind of a milestone for us. We always have had on our bucket list we wanted to ride in an autonomous vehicle. So we decided to go ahead and do that. We were in Phoenix for a work thing for him, and it was all done, and we decided to go out to dinner, and instead of taking our vehicle, we decided to call a Waymo. And so this is our drive to the restaurant. And I thought I would post it here because it was quite fun. We really enjoyed the ride. You'll see there's a little screen. It's hard to see what's on the screen here, but you can actually set the temperature, pick the music, those kinds of things, see where you're at on the map. It was quite an adventure for us that we enjoyed immensely. Highly recommend it.
It's not about the walls you break it, 'cause when you stop, the world keeps shaking, and I don't want to be apart. Then I heard it in the morning, and then I saw it in the evening, and then you said without a warning that you need someone to believe in. 'Cause it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out. It's not love, it's a trap we've fallen, just like the war we fought in. Not love, it's a trap we've fallen. It's not love, it's a trap we've fallen, just like the war we fought in. Not love, it's a trap we've fallen. 'Cause it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out. Screaming out.
And the next morning was another milestone for us. This year we celebrate 10 years of marriage, and we eloped. And so this was the time, the anniversary, our 10-year anniversary. We had told our children that we would have a celebration. So we decided to do a vow renewal, and it was going to be on the 18th of the month. And so my husband surprised me on this weekend that we went out by taking me out to buy me a guard ring for my engagement band. And so that was it was a surprise. It was very romantic, and so it was a lot of fun as well.
Another way, but it hurts even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out.
so that's my coffee process. It's not hugely a huge undertaking, but this isn't my usual oat milk, and so it doesn't froth as nicely as my normal oat milk. So that is been a bummer with this one because I was having a hard time finding my normal one. So yeah. But coffee is what's required for this girl to finish getting ready this morning. So that's what I'm gonna head off to do. Today is a lot of getting stuff done, like getting things made, finished for the, if you follow Crafty Hope, then you know that we're doing a Advent together. And so I have a few things that I need to get finished because our deadline is drawing near for getting it shipped out to each other for December, which during December I will be doing the Advent, daily Advent reels and possibly shorts over on Instagram and here on YouTube. So of the unboxing and putting away of said items. So yeah, anyways, this should be really fun. We're really excited about it, and yeah, it's a whole thing. So one of the things I needed to get done today was get some of the part 2 of the Resist for Technique Tuesday finished. So a lot of that, I did some of that filming today as well, and I thought I'd share that with you.
You don't let your feelings haunt you. You don't ever get nervous, do you? With all the right cards in your hands. I'm breathing just to feel my body. You're screaming just to say you're sorry when it don't turn out the way you planned. It was more than a feeling, from the floor to the ceiling. Wish I knew how to tell you. I need someone to believe in. Cause it hurts whenever I stay.
Well, a little bit ago I was showing you, I'm just getting prepped to, I'm sorry about the lighting in here. Blah. I'm just trying to get prepped to do part 2 of the Resist. That is, the Resist techniques. It's a Technique Tuesday. And so I've been doing all this pre-work in this, what I showed you, the book that has all this music. It's a vintage book. It has different kind of paper. And so anyways, that's what I was working in. And then I ended up having lunch and doing some other household type things, boring stuff. And now I have been working on doing, I've been putting together some sewing ephemera type, a pack. So it has vintage buttons in it, and it has, and then on the outside I'm putting these, tags. And so what I've been doing is I have all these pattern envelopes, and the ones that have like drawn people on them like this, I am fussy cutting those out because I'm going to put one on each of the tags. So I'm going to wrap the packages like in some of the full size sheets that haven't been cut down of the tissue, pattern tissue, and use the bias tape to tie it up. And then one of these tags is going to go on each one of those. So I'm going to have those for sale in my shop coming up soon, and I'm hoping to get that finalized here. So I've just been sitting down and kind of watching TV and fussy cutting these little ladies, and for the front of those tags. It's kind of busy work, but I thought it would be a nice touch on those little packs. So I'll only have 20 available, but maybe later I'll be able to do some more with some different items in it. So, but if I have it done, if I have them ready in my shop, I'll list them below. They'll be called sewing notion packs. So that's what I've been kind of working on today. It's just jumping around from different little things that just need to get done.
You don't let your feelings haunt you. You don't ever get nervous, do you? With all the right cards in your hands. I'm breathing just to feel my body. You're screaming just to say you're sorry when it don't turn out the way you planned.
What a beautiful morning. Wasn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love sunsets in Arizona. I mean sunrises in Arizona. So I'm headed to go get my hair cut, and then I'm headed straight home, and when I get home I will videotape. I will show you the corkboard, because I've got the corkboard up. It's not, all the stuff's not on it yet, but I do have it up so I can show you. I've moved, my brother-in-law's helped me move lights around a little bit, so that's nice. I do not have my twinkle lights up yet, but I'm getting closer. I know where I'm going to put them now, so that's almost done. And I received in, well, I'm going to show you this next after this, and then I'll show you the corkboard, but I received in my package from Crafty Hope, and we're doing an Advent exchange for the month of December. So I received hers. I don't think she's received mine as of yet. So I'm going to show you that box. So every morning through the first 24 days in December, we're each going to be opening a gift. We have 6 new items, 6 handmade items, 6 items that are from our stash that we're passing on. So maybe things that we've used but don't like, and we think the other person would. And then it's going to be 6 vintage items, so making up the whole 24. So I will have that posting, and so will Hope. We'll both be posting on Instagram, and I think she's also doing Vlogmas. I'm not positive about that, but I think she's doing Vlogmas, and we'll have it on her YouTube channel as well, and I will link that above. So yeah. All right, I said I would show you the cork board. So the cork board is up. It fits beautifully. I don't have everything up on it, but also we moved lights around, so one's pointed to the cork board, one's pointed to this area. I don't know if I showed you the curtains are up now. And then this one right here is pointed over to here, because I don't really need a light over here because I have these, but we're gonna get one more light, put it right there and face it to that area. But I got my twinkle lights I'm thinking of going around this bookshelf. So yeah, so it's coming together, and I'm trying to figure out what to do with this. But I'm currently getting stuff together for the sewing notion packs. So I'm getting ready to collate those. And I just found this, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put it up there. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, or maybe up here. I don't know. I haven't made a decision yet. So we'll see what I end up doing. But things are coming together. It's slowed down a little bit because I've got so much going on in my life right now, like personally. So yeah, we'll see.
Wish I knew how to tell you. I need someone to believe in.